So I decided to make one little experiment and created subliminal messages by using AI technology. Is it possible? Is it not? You know what? You'll be my testers. What I'm going to do, I will create the 3 videos, follow the instructions by creating by AI to create subliminal messages videos, put them in the end, and you will be tested. So what is meaning, after one video, I pause, or you can pause, write down what you think it's on this video or what is about, and it will be 3 videos. In the end, I will reveal what it's about, and just see it if you will get this point of subliminal messages. But before we start this experimenting and show how it was done, let me go a little history about what subliminal messages is. It is some way you can pass subconsciously information to the people to control their behavior. For me, as ex-KGB from Soviet Union, I did do some propaganda and other things, but we never have that technology to brainwash directly people. You can affect them, but if person does not really want to do it, he won't do it. What you need to do is provide some kind of interest for him or wish to do this. So in subliminal messages, it's kind of very interesting. It was done somewhat before people tried to do this, but until 1957, and it's what happened. It is Vince Picard's book that is called The Hidden Procedures. What is what about the subliminal messages? What is bring to the mainstream? And according to the book, that is Coca-Cola was using this experiment in the 50s when they take the film, cut the frame, put it Coca-Cola and popcorn, one frame there. Not enough for people notice it, just blink. But for the subconscious, apparently it's supposed to knowing, kind of see this image and showing during movie. And according to their research and follow-up, it is sales increased by 57 and 18% for the Coca-Cola and popcorn. So apparently they're saying it does work. However, later it was discovered all of the study was bogus, so it does not work that way. But it's an interesting idea, What if you can somehow, by hidden messages inside the images, audio, and video, create control and manipulate the people? Priming has shown that subliminal stimulus, its messages can be only trigger action and receive on the messages planned to perform anyway. So, for example, if you're planning to go and buy popcorn in a movie theater, the showing you popcorn, it will prompt you to buy popcorn that you already planned to do. So apparently our human brain a little bit different. But you know what? What if they not? What if AI is smarter than that? And it's AI conspiracy to create all this artwork and everything and hide messages inside. So let's go ahead and try to create some of this. I'm not necessarily will show you what I'm going to create as an image, because that will be part of our test in the ending. See if that will work or not, but I will show you process what I'm going through. Well, and for this, I went and asked ChatGPT how to put it all these messages. And of course, it's give me very vague kind of answer. Generic says, hey, you can define, you can put there, and otherwise you can put messages, images in the videos hiding. For example, you're familiar probably with the Lion King and that sex kind of in a smoke words come up. So some Louisiana 4 years old boy saw and all this happened. So I don't think that was real was subliminal messages, but it is kind of trying embed it if people notice or not. So next, what I'm trying to do is figure out how do we put those images and end up with very simple techniques. I'm going to generate special messages based on that object and build the shapes, colors, and everything in the images, animated. Also, I'm just for fun going to insert a single frame of the specific image inside. Let me go ahead and process them, and after this, you will be my tester. So you're going to watch 3 movies now, okay? Be sure you pause when it says pause, okay? And write down what you think the message was there, subliminal. Mostly it will be object. Let's put it this way. I make it easy. It won't be any things. It does not tell you go and become my Patreon member or subscribe me on a YouTube or like a video. So it won't be like that, okay? I'll be nicer, but this will be just simple object. And let me know what you think. What is that? Okay, so our first was apple, second bunny, and third is banana. I don't know if you guessed right or wrong, or if subliminal messages do work or not. Let me know in comment, put it what was your order or whatever you saw there. Thank you for watching and have a great time.